regarding care and maintenance of our backdrops.
What do I do when I first receive my backdrop?
Please be sure to inspect your backdrop within 48 hours. Do not hesitate to contact Grosh Rentals if you have any questions or concerns about the backdrop, so we have ample time to assist you.
The drop has wrinkles. How do I remove them?
Grosh recommends letting the drop hang for 24 hours or more to reduce any wrinkles. Placing a PVC or 1-inch metal pipe in the bottom pipe pocket or using clamps to stretch out the sides and top of the backdrop can also be helpful. Please do not attempt to steam the backdrop, as this will cause it to stain.
I made a tear in the backdrop. What do I do?
Notify Grosh Rentals right away of any damage, and if it is outside our business hours, please leave a message. In the meantime, you can put a piece of gaffer's tape on the back of the tear to hold it until the end of your show. Do not attempt to sew the drop yourself. If you have any further questions regarding the care and maintenance of our backdrops, feel free to contact us directly.